Shallots are a delicious addition to many dishes, including soups and salads. They also enhance the flavor of meats, particularly beef. For any dish in which you would use onions, shallots can be substituted to provide a subtler, more nuanced onion-like flavor. They're relatively easy to grow and ever so rewarding, with their delicious flavor and long shelf life. To grow shallots, you will need to pick a location in the garden that gets 6 to 8 hours of sun daily. You can plant the bulbs 2 to 4 weeks before the average last frost date in the spring, or in the fall, after the first frost occurs. Dig a small furrow, about 1 to 2 inches deep. Place your bulbs pointy end up, into the furrow, spaced about 3 inches apart. Cover with soil, and add some rotted manure or garden compost to the top of the soil, and water well. The presence of worms in your soil is an indicator of a healthy garden. Earthworms naturally thrive in soil that is beneficial to their health. Earthworms benefit the garden by mixing the soil as they move and bringing down organic matter from the topped soil. They also increase the amount of air and water in the soil and break down organic matter, such as grass and leaves, so plants can use them. Shallots can be grown in any well-drained, fertile soil, but you can improve your soil by adding organic matter such as well-rotted manure or garden compost. This makes it great as a general-purpose soil conditioner, and great for phosphorus-sensitive native plants when it's well-rotted. Shallots don't like competing with weeds, so it's important to keep the area around your shallots as weed-free as possible. Keep the soil evenly moist during the growing season. Water regularly over the drier months. If flower stalks appear, it's a good idea to remove these. This will ensure that all of the shallot's energy is put into the bulbs, giving you a better production rate. As with other plants from the onion family, shallots grow more quickly from bulbs rather than seeds. Shallot bulbs are the perfect addition to your vegetable garden, easy to grow, and great producers. Happy organic gardening!